What is up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Nick. This is 7 Minutes or Less, and today we are unboxing 3 budget wireless chargers for your cell phone: the Belkin Boost, Amazon Basics, and Anker wireless charger. All of the links will be below for you guys to pick them up. We're going to unbox them. We're going to test them all out right here. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, make sure you hit it below and give us a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that we can get this video to more people faster. Belkin, Amazon Basics, and Anker. $25, $15, and $10 for each one of these, and we'll go over the differences. So right off the bat, let's pop open the Belkin wireless charger. This is one of the highest reviewed wireless chargers that is on Amazon today. Beautiful packaging, lime green, looks really great. For $25, it is the Belkin Boost Up system. Beautiful packaging. It comes right in this case like this with a plastic covering. So the puck, as you can see, is relatively small. In the case, it comes with the charging brick as well as standard operating equipment. That is the Belkin, $25. Next up is the Amazon Basics wireless charger. It is the second most popular options on Amazon itself, and it comes in at $15 when we pick this one up. Highly reviewed as well. Oh wow, it is tiny. This unit itself is really small, as you can see, compared to the Belkin. Very tiny, very thin as well. This will go great, really nicely on a desk. In the box, you've got your charging cable as well as a protective rubber ring that you can put around this. So for $15, it does come with a USB-C to USB-A, but it does not come with the actual adapter, the plug, to go into the wall, so that you would have to pick that up separately. And then finally, the Anker unit, and this is the least expensive, coming in at $10 on Amazon when I picked this up. I think it was on a Black Friday deal or something like that. It's got your standard operating paperwork, and this is a USB cable option as well. The unit is tiny, plastic, not as small as the Amazon fast charger. You can see the surface area is a little bit bigger, and it does have more of a grippy surface to it to grip your cell phone. So that is another major difference. For $10, it comes with the charging cable, and it is a USB-A to micro USB. So each one of these does come with a slightly different setup. However, as you can see, the Belkin is the biggest, largest surface area. The smallest is the Amazon, and then obviously the Anker after that. So let me plug these in. Boom. Okay, we're back. So I got all of the units set up super simple. You literally just plug it in. For the Anker and for the Amazon unit, I had to get a wall adapter for them. So if you didn't pick that up when you bought them, you'll have to go on Amazon as well and pick up the USB-A to electrical outlet plug for them. When I was setting them up, super easy, just plugging them in and off they go. The Belkin, all the way over here, Belkin, they have the longest cord, and it does have a small green charging light when it is charging. Obviously, it's charging right now through my phone. Thumbs up to them. The Anker, the second shortest cord. We've got it plugged into the wall over there. They're all in the same wall outlet. It's just that the cords on them are a little bit smaller. The Anker has this tacky material so that your phone wouldn't slip as much. Plug it in and set it on top. It has a power indicator that it is charging right here. It's blue. The phone is charging through the case. And then lastly, the tiniest puck, which with the shortest cord, is the Amazon. However, it is super sleek, and with the rubber bumper on it, This is something that I would love to have on my work desk, putting this right on there, and it does also have an indicator light, an LED light for when it is charging or not. Moving the phone around to different areas on the puck, the Amazon one, it does look like it has to be more centered. So if you are in a quick scenario, the Amazon puck, because it is so small, may require a little bit more precision. The Anker puck itself, when you move the phone around, does need to have it a little more centered. And then the Belkin, it seems, because it has the largest surface area, that it's charging the phone pretty well anywhere on the device. So all the links to these are in the description below. Tell me what your thoughts are on them. So far, between $25, $15, and $10, each one of them is totally fine. They are all charging my phone. They all have an indicator light on them, and the Amazon one, being the least expensive, is the smallest itself. They all charge, they're all working very well. I like the Belkin, and I think the Amazon the best. I'm gonna use the Belkin at home so that I can just throw my phone on there at night. The Amazon one, it looks like it's gonna be working great for my office. I can just throw my phone on that, and it does take up the least surface area. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends who are also interested in getting wireless chargers, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.